Okay, 3, 2, 1. So this is officially test number 1 with the audio and GoPro. The pickup on this microphone was so sensitive that I had to put a dead cat that I had laying around on it, and we'll see if that even does anything. So I don't know if it's just that the sensitivity on this mic is just too high. There's no way to adjust it that I know of. Or it's just trash. I don't know. We are on our way to go to the gym, and let's see, what are we going to do today? I think what we'll do is chest. See, I don't remember what I did. So yesterday I did arms, and the day before that I did legs. Okay, so we should do back today. Today's back day. So, what are we going to do for back day? I think for back day we should do lat pull downs and superset that with pullovers, cable pullover. Whee! And then after that, we can do dumbbell row, or we'll see how we're feeling. We can do barbell row, and then hit the reverse pec. Smash the rear delts, follow that up with some shoulder fly. I don't know if I want to start doing rack pulls or not, just to get that meaty part of your center back, but we'll find out. See what those $5 fucking microphones were all about that were for sale on TikTok, and those were trash. But they come with dead cats. They came with little foam tip things. I tried putting the foam tip that comes with this microphone inside one of those foam tips, and I put my helmet on and just talked loudly, and it was the same thing. So my confidence that this cat, or this dead cat, will work is slim. That's cool. I don't know if you can see, but that's Mount Hood over there in the distance. You can see that far in the video. I'm sure on YouTube maybe you'll be able to see it. It doesn't compress it too much. Oh yeah, so I wanted to talk about downshifting while braking. So applying the front brake while downshifting. And that can be done just if you want to do it, just whatever. I do it all the time. I mean, not all the time. Sometimes I just utilize a rear brake. Ooh, dead body. What do we got? Ooh, yuck. Cool. You know, you never really realize how big these freaking birds are, dude. They're huge. They're like 4 feet wide. So as you're coming up to a stop, I'm just going to operate under the assumption that you know how to downshift and rev match. Pull on your clutch, flip your throttle, kick it down, and release your thing. But what I do is I pull in with the front, with my middle finger, and I just roll. I'm lightly applying the brake there, but under heavy braking, I think it's good to get into it, to do it to the point where it is second nature. So that way, in the event that you have to hard brake, you're not only utilizing your rear brake and your front brake, but you're also utilizing your engine. That's just going to give you a little extra, something. So if you only have a front brake caliper, or one front brake caliper, like in the Grom, I believe the Ninja 250, 650, no, I think the 650 has two. But the Ninja 400 doesn't. I could be wrong. Any bike with a single front brake caliper, or if you're in a heavy bike, so you're in an old Indian or an old V-Star or something like that. Oh, fuck, I am right for that problem. And I think it's just a good idea to just do it. Practice it. Doesn't hurt you. Won't kill you. You know, you brake so often, might as well get it to be second nature. Oh, and another thing I do, and everybody should just get used to it, is squeeze your tank with your thighs while you're braking. You should already kind of be having a little bit of a grip with your thighs. It's kind of awkward at first to get used to it. You'll be sore in your hip abductors or adductors, whichever those are. You might be a little sore, but once you get used to it, it's fine. But yeah, it's a beautiful Tuesday morning, 9:13 in the morning. In rural Oregon. This is Malala, Oregon. So those are the Cascades over there, and it's a mountain range that goes south for several hundred miles. And Malala is the farthest town to the southeast in the Portland Metro, and there's basically nothing to the east for a couple hundred miles, nothing to the south for a while. And it's just nature out here, dude. And we go elk hunting out there. There's a mountain range out there somewhere behind all the foothills, so you can't see from here because it's far away, but I think it's called Table Rock. I have not been out there that far, but you go up south behind me far enough, you're just going to start to see elk and deer just walking around on the road like it ain't no thing. Everyone's getting ready for the 4th of July. I need to as well, dude. I need to put up some of my flags and military stuff. If you're unfamiliar, up here in Oregon, drive-through coffee shops are freaking everywhere. Like, you might have a Dutch Brothers in your town, but holy crap, dude. Imagine 10 different freaking competitors everywhere, all over the place. They're always in some little, like, podunk, rinky-dink little, not podunk, but little rinky-dink little outbuilding. Overpriced coffee. It's strong coffee though, dude. If you really need to wake up, or if you just, I don't know, if you don't want pre-workout that day, you just want coffee, if you're going to the gym, do one of those, you'll hit a PR for sure, dude. Well, if you don't hit a PR, you'll just be in there forever. And then you'll puke, depending on what you get, because there's a lot of fucking sugar and dairy in them. But this little exhaust, bro, from Amazon doesn't sound bad, man. I think it was $80, the MOVO exhaust. Low-key goated, I believe is what they say. I need to adjust this. It came out a little bit. We'll park over here. We never park over here. All right. So that was test number 1